Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So a lot of you have been asking for some drone footage of what we have cut down so far, and maybe to get you up into the mountain a little bit so that you can see, and also so that we can see what is up there. So hubby is getting the drone going, and we're gonna head down and check out all of the brush that we have cut down. Also, we'll just do some footage of around the property and let you guys see how it looks in February. Alright friends, so I hope you enjoyed this short video of just our drone footage going through the property. We weren't able to get really into the mountain like we wanted to because our drone is very sensitive and it just does not allow you to get that close to any trees or anything for fear that it might get caught on it and fall. So we did the best we could. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.